Alrighty, today we are putting the waterfalls in. It's about 175 degrees if you count the humidity. Been dealing with some rain issues. We had some other projects, stuff like that, so a little bit of interruptions. Tony and Dad are out here trying to carve out a little spot where we're gonna put a rock. Again, we're gonna have to see how all this works out. We're moving, we're doing things. Things are getting done. And the Sixers won last night. Sixers won last night. We're doing it. All right, so there you are. Peace, love. How we doing, folks? I think it's like 2 in the afternoon or something. I don't know. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. All right, great. We're getting there. We've set about 2 rocks. Moving slowly, but it is moving. So we're gonna take that rock out on the left there, and I think we're gonna put the rock that Dad's sitting on, leaning out this way. That's the game plan. That's the plan on paper. Right, Tom? All righty. That's it. Now everything always, as we know, always goes according to plan. All right, here we go on what's been one of the most painful projects of my life. I'm thinking we got enough water in here to possibly start up the falls. Here we go. Gotta see what old Kermit says. What do you think, Bill? Huh? Yeah, is that your kingdom, pal? All right, so Ryan and I, we're gonna crank up the falls. This has been like 2 weeks. It's been brutal, re-brutal. It's been double brutal. It's been triple brutal. Hasn't it, Ryan? You haven't even been here. This is only your 3rd day. But we're gonna fire up this damn waterfall and hoping and praying here. There it comes. There comes some chocolate milk. You can put the lid. You can take the lid off if you want. Okay. Holy crap, that comes out fast, bro. He's alive, baby. All right, it's like day 104 on this pond. And as you can see, the waterfall is running. And we're currently doing some edging right now. Found a couple issues with some lower edges, which we rectified. And really now I want to start planting some plants and stuff like that. So I'm hoping Kathy gets here to help me out. So onward we go. Finished project coming up. Thanks a mil. Alrighty, folks. Here's what we got. We got a few more rocks to find homes for. I think another day and we'll have it. So looking good. Very proud. Long, hard river.